The India bloc has dominated the by-polls and has now attacked the BJP. Says BJP's negative politics has been rejected. Congress says by-poll is a result of a strong proof failure of the BJP's falling credibility. That's what is being said by the opposition after winning 10 of the 13 seats that went to by-polls. Aseem is getting us more details, joining us from Punjab at this point in time right now on the win of the Aam Aadmi Party in Jalandhar. We'll go back to Aseem in a few moments from now. But these are details that we have with us of the India bloc dominating the by-polls. 10 seats have been won by the India bloc of the 13 that went to polls. The BJP has won just 2. One has been won by an independent candidate, which is the Rupauli seat in the state of Bihar. The India opposition members have won 12, in fact 10 out of the 13 seats. 2 have been won by the BJP, 1 by an independent. India bloc says this is proof of the BJP's falling credibility. Big story that we are getting at this hour. DMK has won the Vikramandi by-poll from Tamil Nadu. TMC has won all 4 seats in Bengal. AAP winning in Jalandhar in Punjab. Congress has also won Badrinath and the 2nd seat in the state of Uttarakhand. Alright, we're getting in more details as far as the developments from the by-poll results are concerned. Of the 13 seats, the Congress has won 10. 1 has been won by an independent, which is in the state of Bihar, which is a Rupauli seat, and BJP has just won 2 seats. The India bloc says this is the momentum that will continue, speaks volumes of BJP losing credibility. Surya Agni is getting us more details on that story. He's joining us from Kolkata at this point in time in the state of Bengal, where the TMC has won all the 4 seats. Surya Agni, the winning spree there for TMC continues.
Well, Sneha, Mamata Banerjee, she herself, she returned from her Mumbai visit of the Anant Radhika wedding, and she was questioned just a while back on the Trinamool Congress victory. She has mentioned that, the trend is clear. It's in the favor of the India alliance and not the NDA. So this is something that has come in from the Chief Minister herself. And the reason why, she is stating this is because at least when it comes to West Bengal, 4 out of the 4 seats that went into polls, these 4 were won by the Trinamool Congress. And as we have been mentioning, Sneha, that of these 4 seats, 3 seats were initially won by the BJP in 2021's elections, and this is something that is a big big feat for the Trinamool Congress, because they have been able to win those particular 3 seats from the BJP's kitty. Even with the fact that even during the Lok Sabha election, the results happened just a month back, even in that it was seen that the BJP had quite a good lead in these particular assembly segments, but the BJP has not been able to, turn anything out of it in the by-polls. So in the 4 seats that went into polls today, the past couple of days back, the results that came out today, Sneha, it's crystal clear that the Trinamool has swept it, and even the polls, even the by-polls that happened throughout the country, the dynamics that we saw post the results, Mamata Banerjee is stating that the mandate is not with the NDA anymore, it's with the India alliance. Back to you.
All right, thanking you, Surya Agni Roy, getting us up to speed with those details as far as the by-poll results are concerned. As far as Bengal goes, which has won 4 seats in the state, essentially TNC has won 4 seats here. And of the 13, BJP has won just 2 seats.